What's going on, TNNA 24.8? I'm here at my boys' pool get-together party. We got the kids. They're about to do a water challenge. So we're gonna see who could what?
Keep their head underwater the longest.
Okay. So I'm gonna do a countdown from starting from 3. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we got 2 people. Hey, don't try to mess them up.
I would just chill.
We got a winner, chicken dinner. That guy was under there for a nice. It wasn't a minute, man.
I was trying.
Let's see.
It wasn't nothing distracting me.
She's got the swimming skills on. This is a nice sized pool. You could get a nice little swim. Get a nice little swim.
No, take your time. I hit the spit and my stomach. I bumped into you with my
It's a cool little pool there. Tag in the pool? Right. You can't play underwater tag. Oh, that sounds cool. Marco Polo. You gotta close your eyes though. Somebody's gotta beat Marco.
I'll be Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Yeah, I was just about to say, Eliza.
Yeah, you gotta.
Have your eyes open.
Yeah, it's your job to get it. You gotta explain the rules.
Okay, basically, I call Marco, and then you have to say Polo and walk around. And if I tag you, then you're Marco, and you have to say Marco with your eyes closed.
But you're trying to hide from him. You don't want him to get you.
Marco. Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Be very quiet.
He got me. He got me.
Hello.
I tried to go.
Hello.
All right. Marco. Polo. Marco.
Hello.
Marco. You didn't get it. That's Poppy.
Marco.
Poppy, I got
We get
What you guys doing on this Labor Day weekend?
it.
It looks like we're having a little barbecue. Just make sure you hit that thumbs up. Give us a like. And don't forget to make a comment. If you choose, make a comment. And we'll be back. It's TNA 24/8. Peace.